Welcome to Taranker. In today's video, we're going to show you how to find and compare the best dropshipping apps for your Wix store. If you're looking to add dropshipping to your business, choosing the right app is crucial. Let's dive into how you can navigate Taranker to find top-rated apps with ease. First, click on Wix apps. Then, navigate to the Sell Online section, where you'll find a category specifically for dropshipping apps. Taranker uses smart AI to categorize apps, making it easy for you to find exactly what you need. With the dropshipping category, you'll discover apps tailored to different business needs, whether you're focused on product variety, supplier reliability, or integration with your store. One of the best parts of using Taranker is our unique ranking system, which combines real user reviews with smart AI insights to give you an accurate and trustworthy ranking for each app. We analyze feedback from real users and factor in performance metrics to rank these apps, so you can feel confident that the top-rated ones are truly the best in their category. With this feature, finding a highly rated app that aligns with your store's goals is a breeze. But that's not all. Taranker also offers a powerful comparison feature that allows you to evaluate up to 4 different apps side by side. To use this feature, simply select the apps you want to compare by clicking the Compare button next to each one. You can compare up to 4 apps at a time, viewing details such as user ratings, pricing, product selection, and customer support. This feature is perfect for helping you decide which app best suits your needs, whether you're prioritizing profit margins, fast shipping, or finding a reliable supplier. With Taranker's comparison tool, making an informed choice has never been easier. Ready to find the perfect dropshipping app for your Wix store? Head over to Taranker.com and start exploring our ranked and compared dropshipping apps for Wix. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips.